cross my heart and hope to die. I've done it all 1,000 times. I live in the city of angels, but nobody tells you it's dangerous. 24 hours wasted, maybe my light is fading. When I'm closing my eyes, I get close to the nightmare. So I never go to sleep. I keep chasing the high, try to run, but they're right there. It's making me crazy. I used to be scared of the monsters up under my bed. No, but now it's the demons that live inside of my head. I'm afraid of the dark. Came here with an innocence. One night led to years of this. I used to dream of the angels, a place full of grace, now it's painful. I'm tired of slaying dragons that maybe I just imagined. When I'm closing my eyes, I get close to the nightmare. So I never go to sleep. I keep chasing the high drive.